Hey guys, so today we're unboxing this Gravity stand, music stand or microphone stand if you like. And I bought it to put up my theremin, the open theremin I got on this hopefully. So we'll see how this one looks. It's quite heavy at the bottom. So let's see. So you have something attached here. This black rings. You can exchange apparently this green ones you have here, so you can have just a pure black style instead of having these green ones. So I'm probably going to do that. Otherwise there's nothing left. And yeah, I mean it's looks okay, right? So yeah, that's the Gravity MS43. Thanks.